Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting the car ready to pull the motor and gearbox, hopefully for the last time, but you know how these things work, probably the one of many times coming up. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to drain the fluids overnight, and in the next video I'll show the whole process of pulling the motor and gearbox out of the car all in one go. Also, I've got a video of me doing some paint correction on my daily driver and the results of that as well, after using the Chemical Guys C4, P4 and ceramic coating. So if you wanted to see how that looks, like a before and after on a car, enjoy.